we'll be learning the basics of pop-up art. So pop-up art is one of my favourite hobbies. It's something I really love and enjoy. And today we're just going to be going through the basics. I'm going to teach you two folds today, the parallel folds and the V-fold. Let's get started. So what you'll need first are two craft knives. Well, no, not two, but I've got two. You need a craft knife. It's not overly essential, but it's very useful for scoring and things. You want a hobby knife. That again isn't essential. You can use a craft knife, but they tend to be more subtle and less like grabby on the paper. Protractor's useful. You obviously need some different colours of cards, and yeah, different cards. And I've got some white cards, packet of white card. Probably need a ruler as well, Accio ruler. A ruler. So let's get started. First, get a piece of paper. Piece of card's best, and fold it in half, like this. Then score it at the back. You've got to be very careful with scoring because there's a very tight gap between cutting it and scoring it. You can do it with nearly anything. You can do it with the corner of an object, you could do it with this protractor or a ruler across it. Next, you need to cut some paper like this. Scissors. Could use a craft knife, but scissors would be easier. You also need scissors. Wingardium Leviosa. There you go, some scissors. So, cut a section of card. Doesn't matter how big, well, it does matter how big, but for this it doesn't matter how big because, when you're making something properly, you'll need it to be a specific size. As we're making a sketch, which is what they call a practice, it doesn't matter. Let's start with just fold the piece of paper in half to find where the middle is. Then I use the ruler to fold things precisely. So use that to make a proper fold at the bottom. These will be your gluing tabs. So to make sure you know where the gluing tabs are, cut little triangles and the edges off and stuff, like this, like that, so that you can see where you're going to glue. So, for this piece, I'm just going to make a triangle. Just going to make a triangle like that. So you can either use glue, like Pritt Stick, double-sided sticky tape. You can get proper glue for pop-up art. Or you can use hot glue gun, but that tends to be quite bulky and it doesn't close properly. So I mainly use the proper pop-up glue, can be quite expensive as well. So I tend to use double-sided sticky tape and glue, like Pritt Stick. So take your protractor. This isn't essential, but if the closer you get it to 45 degrees, the straighter up it stands. So take your protractor and a pen, mark a centre point in the middle of the page. This they call the valley or the gully. So mark a point there, line it up with a protractor. Line it up with a protractor and mark 45 degrees. Away from it. There you go. So, if you can see, I'm not sure you can see on the camera, but I've got these two dots on the screen, on the piece of paper. Then, if you're using cards, you probably do have to use hot glue gun or proper art glue. but if you're just using paper like this, you can just use Put Stick. So you have to put quite a lot on. Oh, that's not the right glue stick. Get a full glue stick and stick some on and put some on the one gluing tab. And try and line it up as close as you can to the 45 degrees, like this, so that it's stuck down like that. You might want to press it and hold it a bit and rub it. Then fold it in half and put glue on the other tab. Then close the whole thing up and press down hard on the other tab that you just glued on. So that then, when you open it up, it comes up. Oh, probably needs some more glue actually. Oh, I glued this on wrong. Put that one on like that. You need to remember that you've got it pointing away from the galley, or the valley. So then, close it back up like I did before. Have it pointing like that. Then close it up. Remember to push down hard. So then, when you open it up again, it comes up like that. Very good. You may have to like fold it a bit extra when it's stuck on, but that's pretty good, I think. So next, I'm going to teach you a parallel fold. Some people call these extra creases and stuff, but I just call it parallel fold. So cut a strip of paper, just a long line of paper, and then across. So you've got something like that. Then you fold it. Make sure to keep it in line. Fold it, and then fold it again. Right, this is possibly the hardest part in a minute. No, not this bit. Then you just cut the gluing tabs. But in a second, you've got to sort of work out where it's going to go without knowing where it's going to go. So, apply some glue to this tab above the longer piece. A lot of glue. And then you attach it on. A good gluing technique is to put your hand one side, and then I'm going to put it down like that. Oh no, I didn't put any glue on there. So, a good gluing technique is to put one there and then another object there, or just your two fingers, like that. Then, put your next gluing tab on and put it down. It does matter where you put it, because otherwise it won't close properly. But then you make sure to stick it back down. That probably could have done with being a bit higher. There you go. You stick it all down so that now you've got a bit built onto this bit. So you've got your V fold and then your parallel fold. Then it closes up. Then you open it back out. And there it is. Your pop-up is complete. So I'm TheCraftWizard. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!